Hey friends, Tux here. You know, living in Florida, there's one thing, one battle that you are constantly waging, and that is the battle versus the bugs, okay? You guys know I've been fighting this fight for a long time here in Florida, and it's type of thing which I am playing to win, okay? I'm in it to win it. And this is something which I had a neighbor recommend to me. This is IQN Outdoor Bug Zapper, okay? It's a 15-watt bug zapper, not terribly expensive. No, it's not. But this is something which will help get rid of those pesky outdoor bugs, no matter if it's like bees or if it's flies or mosquitoes. It can definitely kill flying insects with like no one's business. It's very quick and easy to kill them. This all comes in a nice giftable box. As you can see, we have some little things here. Kills mosquitoes in all directions. That's really good because mosquitoes at nighttime in Florida, oh my gosh, those mosquitoes come out in force. They sense your blood and they want to bite you. And this is something which is going to help make your yard livable again because it will help kill those mosquitoes, okay? It attracts areas up to 80 meters, so that's more than enough room to get rid of all those pesky little mosquitoes in your yard, and it's safe for the environment too, which is really nice. There's no hazardous chemicals or whatever, so very good stuff. On the side here, there's a nice little picture here. Talks about what it kills. It kills flies, wasps, moths, mosquitoes, you name it. It definitely is good for killing outdoor flying insects. It will attract them. They see that light, they hone into it, and they die. You know, so very good stuff. Here in the back it has a few pictures, shows you how quick and easy it is to change. Basically, you just twist the bottom, you pull it out, you empty those dead critters, and you rinse. So, could not be simpler. Very good stuff. Let's go ahead and open this bug zapper. There is a barcode if you need it, but again, there'll be a link for you right below. So be sure and click that link, okay? All right, we're going to go ahead and open this up. This can make a really good gift for a neighbor, for a friend, family member who just got their first house, you name it. Definitely something everybody wants. Now there's some little goodies in the box here to check it out. We got some good stuff in here. We have, let's see here, oops. They give you, wow, you know, I've had other bug zappers, and they don't always include this stuff. They give you a nice little chain here, so very cool for hanging it. And let's go ahead and open this up and check it out. Sometimes they don't include a chain, and then it's like you have to dig around for some rope or something, you know, and it looks like crazy, like rigged. It does not look good. So to have a nice little chain included is a nice little touch. This could be like a $5 touch or more. So here we go, nice little metal chain, very cool, chrome. We got a nice little hook there on the end and a little clasp on the other end. So very easy to hang. They give you a little brush here to get those critters out of there, help keep it nice and clean after you kill those little varmints, all right? And an outdoor bug zapper, nice little picture here. And of course, we got some basic instructions for how to use it, how to plug it in, all that good stuff. So very cool. These zappers really are self-explanatory. They're very easy to use. I don't think you'll have any problems, but let's go ahead and pull it out of the plastic here and check it out. It's a nice lantern style one, so this will look really great outside. And you can see there's all sorts of different LEDs and things in here. We got the one bulb, and of course the little kill zone, those metal rods right in through there, and they're packed tightly enough that can get even smaller critters, which is really good. It does plug in through a normal plug, so very cool. And here on the bottom here, you can see this is a twist clean, so very easy. This just twists off. You can use a brush, you can clean this off, you can rinse it off, and then it just goes right back in. Just like that. Simple as can be. Let me go ahead and plug this in and we'll check it out in the dark. Oh yeah, that's looking good, guys. Check it out. That is very attractive. Loving the little blue LED looker on the bottom here. I feel like we're doing some kind of gaming mouse or whatever. Very cool. And that blue light, not only is it pretty, that will help attract those critters you want to kill. Okay, so very good stuff. Not super like gaudy or anything. Just a nice soothing blue light. Like, I'm really loving how that looks. So very good. I don't have any bugs to kill in this room right now, I'm sorry, but basically, you know, flies, mosquitoes, bees, wasps, whatever, fly in through here, okay, through the little hole, and then they hit the little metal rods and then it just zaps them. So very good stuff. We do have a little metal clasp here on the top, and this is where you would hook this chain, so you can hook your chain to it and hang it with ease. So very cool. The actual material is plastic, but this feels very solid. So this feels like something which can actually be exposed to the elements for a while and won't fall apart, which is really nice. And again, it's not terribly expensive either. This is definitely what I would consider like a high value bug zapper, but don't let it fool you. It's deadly to those bugs. To recap, this is the IQN bug zapper, okay? This is meant as a outdoor bug zapper. It is 15 watts, and it works great for all sorts of flying critters, things like flies, wasps, moths, mosquitoes, you name it, bees. But it's the type of thing which could very well work on spiders and other crawly type insects too, because they'll still be attracted to this blue light all the same. It hangs very easily. Love the fact it has included brush, very good. Love the fact it has included chain, very good. And a lot of things will not, a lot of other bug zappers may not include these accessories. So it's nice to really kind of have everything in the box to get you started, which is very cool. This could make a fantastic gift to somebody. There is a power on and off here on the front, right there. Just a little switcheroo. Right there's the switch, sorry. On and off. Very convenient. And so you can turn it off if you like, or you could just unplug it. But something really good. And something here, again, in Florida, you're constantly be fighting your backyard for the battle of the bugs to get rid of them so you can enjoy your outside paradise, you know, and not have little critters munching on you, you know. So it's totally worth it, guys. Really recommend it. Makes a fantastic gift, okay? Again, if you have any questions about this bug zapper, let me know in the comments below or send me an email at tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? All right, friends. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.